Want to know how to use memory support to clear hard events easily? So memory support is super underrated in Dokkan Battle. This really helps in order to clear out some harder levels so that you can progress a little bit easily. So before entering hard levels like Red Zone or Super Battle Road, as you can see in story mode, equip a memory support item. So what it does is, when you choose one that heal XP, you can either boost ATK or reduce damage. They activate automatically at the start of battle, which gives you a free buff without using item slots, which is really helpful. It can literally save runs when your team is super weak at that moment. And that's it. Always match the memory support to your team's category. Easy extra power and zero effort. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.